Hey guys, it's Desiree with WTI. Now, are you looking for a bag for that weekend getaway where you can put everything, and especially if you're flying, you don't want to check anything in, you just want to go, then look no further than this bag from IBFUN. So this duffel bag is the perfect size that fits so many things. What I do like, it's a three-piece set, so that is great. You can add in your toiletries into this little bags or even your makeup. I love that it comes with the strap, which is great to put on your shoulder, even has the pad for it. And of course, the room in it is great. Look at the packing cubes that I'm able to store in here. Not only that is it has that additional zipper on the bottom with a fun place where you can put your shoes in so you don't have to worry about your shoes going in the main compartment, which is great. And of course, it's stylish and cute, so who doesn't love that? So if you're looking for the perfect bag for that quick weekend getaway, look no further than this bag from IBFUN. But that's just my point of view.